Hello, welcome back. On this tutorial, we are going to learn on how to register attendance, either as a makeup or just as a normal attendance. Now you'll see I've changed my logins to be that of a normal member, so I'm no longer seeing the club menu because this is how all your members will see it, and this is the right way to show you how to do it. So when you start the application, this is the screen you will see. So to register yourself, to register attendance, you need to have the code of the event. Every event you're going to step into will have a code. Either you'll be given by the directors, it will be displayed on the wall, or you can find it yourself. Assuming we want to find the event ourselves, so I'll go to home here, say events and meeting, events near me, and I say find. I want to see what events are there because I know there is a talk by Dr. John which I want to know the code. So I look into the events that are happening. I see there is talk by Dr. John which I'm in. The code is 6082. So I want to put up my attendance on this. So I'll go back, go to menu, say attendance and makeup, say register attendance. Then I write there the code of that event, which is 6082. Then I say submit. It confirms, is the event this by that? I say yes, submit. So just like that, my attendance has been submitted. However, it will not, be able to be approved until a director of that club can physically see me in the event, then approve it. So on another tutorial, I'll show you how to approve the same. Assuming I've walked in with a guest and I want to register attendance of that guest, I'll come to home, attendance and makeup, and say register guest. So up here, I'll type the event code, which is 6082. Then down here, I'll type the phone number for the guest in international format without the plus sign. The reason I'm typing the phone number so that the system can be able to know if the guest has been in our club before, it will not ask for more detail. So for instance, if I put their guest, like I'm going to put the number 07254, then I can be able to say submit. So the system has located the event, but it's saying it's the first time for this guest to visit, and it wants me to add more information about it. I'll say, yes, submit. So it will ask me for the name of the guest, which I can write as Joe Doe, the email address, which I can use ttbb or whatever at gmail.com. A little bit of bio of this person. By bio, we are looking at, kind of like any information you want us to know about the guest. So we can write there something like he is a nurse living in Nairobi. Just a bio like that. Then I can say submit guest. However, I'm not going to submit the guest right now, but this is the process of submitting the guest. So that is how you put up your attendance. Once again, remember you go to menu, attendance and makeup, either register your attendance or register your guest. And with that, you'll be signed in to the event. Thank you.